Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at GDX? This is the VanEck Gold Miners ETF. Now, this recently had a really nice rebound starting at the beginning of October, where it was well under all the major moving averages and had a very sharp reversal back above. And if I bring out my handy dandy drawing tool, you can see this was actually in a bit of a wedge pattern where it was tightening and tightening and eventually broke out to the upside. Now we're getting a bit of a back test of this move, which is actually very healthy. And so I definitely want to keep an eye on GDX here and, for the heck of it, GLD, because this is above all the major moving averages. But GDX, I think, is at a bit of a lower risk entry here because we're just kind of right around that 50-day, and we could put a stop loss under yesterday's low and use that as a defined risk entry if we get a little pop to the upside. So I'd want to see this recapture the 50-day moving average to the upside and then use yesterday's low as a potential stop loss area. And again, I like the fact that GLD is in an uptrend and above all the major moving averages, but it's a bit extended right now from that 50-day. So I believe GDX is offering a better risk reward versus that 50-day moving average. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and you should definitely check out what we're up to at StockMarketMentor.com. Click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.